morning people, and we are making the move this morning. We are heading back to Tanjung Rhu. So here is my accommodation, the Royal Cenang at Cenang Beach. And it's always a problem when you have a nice accommodation. You always like to sleep in and waste a bit of the morning. You know, last night I was supposed to meet up with the girls at the rovernuts event. I was supposed to leave at like 10:30 or something because there was a countdown last night. They had a big party because today is actually Merdeka, Hari Merdeka Day, which is the Malaysian Independence Day. So really big day for them, and they started it off with a countdown last night. But since I was in a nice accommodation, after I edited a little bit, I lied down and it was over. I was not getting up. As much as I wanted to see fireworks, hang out at the beach, you know, I've just been tired for the last few days and it's just so nice. So that's why I hate staying at nice accommodation. I just regret it now. I missed out on last night. You know, I want to do as much as I can, experience as much as I can. I just feel like I missed out last night, so got to make up for it today. So luckily it's only like a 200-meter walk from my place. It was literally back there, and the rovernuts is just along here. So we'll catch a lift with them back to Tanjung Rhu, where they'll be doing some pretty cool stuff. I'm officially part of the Land Rover crew.
Rovernuts!
Yeah, the rovernuts into the forest. Here we go. So this morning's activity, they're all lining up along the beach, which you'll see in a second, and then they're just gonna take some cool shots, fly the drone and all that kind of stuff. It's gonna look sick. That way?
I think that way. To the beach.
And they are all now just lined up along the beach. 36 of them. Crazy, 36 from what I counted. And they are ready to shoot. The drone's up in the sky, cameraman, somewhere there doing his thing. So once that guy finishes his drone shots, I'll take mine up to get my own shots. And I think that'll look pretty sick. Look at that behind me. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, so hungry. Haven't eaten all day yet. It's already midday, lunchtime, and this is the first bit of food I get to eat. I've only had water since I've woken up, so pretty big and busy morning for me. So we're just eating at Tanjung Rhu Resort, and yeah, this whole thing's covered for everyone, like all the food, all the drinks. You can swim at the pool, you do pretty much whatever you want. So a lot of organization has come into this event, and yeah, it's actually turning out quite well. So we are now just chilling at Reina's other accommodation, and yeah, so this whole strip she built. So yeah, so here she has so how many like in total you have in Tanjung Rhu village? She has 9 accommodation, like 2 for families. This one's like a
friends,
for friends, group of friends.
Like triple bunk
Yeah.
2 for friends, and then that for couple. I have 4 for couple. Sorry,
Next.
5 for couple.
5 for couples
4
and
friends, 4 friends, or small family, and then that for 3 families.
yeah, so the 3-person one just next door is where I stayed. Yeah, and I think it's not one of those like fancy things from the outside, but like you said, when you go inside, it's what people are looking for. This is when they come in, they're like, oh wow, like, you know, you can't tell this from the outside, like how nice this is and how nice it is to chill up here.
You can't imagine that, right?
Nah.
So you just standing there and I'm like, okay.
But these are one of those places overseas as well, when I travel and I'm just like in the middle of nowhere, I'm like, where am I? And I go in, I'm like, oh, this is nice, this is what I've been looking for. No, seriously, I think you'll do well in the future, Rena. Like, I'm gonna like keep a close eye on you. Any extra money I have, I'm like, here, Rena, like, you know, help me out.
Better.
Yeah.
I already give you some few tips.
I know.
Now just travel the world.
Just travel for the next few months and I'll save a bit, and then this is first thing on my mind for sure. So a lot of these things, like Rena actually does it herself to save money, and this is like what you like doing. So you made this yourself?
I bought from the boots. This is real from the boots. So
Yeah.
they wanted to throw it, and then I'm like, here, just gonna buy
Recycle it and make it fancy.
Yeah, I just don't know what to do with that rope yet. And then after a while, then I'm like, oh, okay, I have this rope, so why don't I just do this? And then I go to the forest for bamboo.
She went to the forest and then got bamboo and then made this. How good is that? So resourceful, Rena. So resourceful. Oh yum! Oh yum! Oh yum! I love all this stuff.
Yeah.
All the sweet stuff. Sweet drink.
You want a drumstick or you want bread?
So is this a typical Malaysian dish?
This is Indonesian.
Oh, Indo.
Yeah.
Wait.
Ayam penyet.
Ayam.
Smashed chicken.
Oh, okay. What's the second word?
Ayam penyet.
Penyet?
Ayam is chicken.
Yeah.
Penyet is smashed.
And we are back, guys, back to the rovernuts event at the holiday villa. So after we had our dinner, we just chilled at a loft at the rooftop bar, watched the sunset, had a few drinks, and now they've just got that event up there. I don't know what kind of white wine we had, but I'm really feeling it now. I only had a few glasses, but yeah, it was definitely stronger stuff than what we've been having the last few nights. And I'm just gonna make a prediction right now. Susie is gonna get thrown in the pool. Hopefully when it happens, I get it on video, but I just have this feeling she's gonna get picked up and thrown in the water. So yeah, it's pretty much my last night here in Langkawi, so gonna make the most of it. Don't need to get off or anything tomorrow, so I think we're just gonna drink and party the night away and just make the most of Independence Day here in Langkawi. Oh, damn, I missed it. I missed it. She's in already. I missed it too far.
My fault.
Damn. Oh, I told you. Oh my god. Oh, damn. I missed that. I told you you should have gave me your phone. Susie, what are you going to do? How do you feel?
I'm gonna turn to a dragon right now.
Yeah.
Seriously. Oh, you guys, you know
Yeah. Dragon for Independence Day. Oh, Rena's got it in. Oh, whoa, Rena's getting in.
No choice,
1, 2, 3. That's the way. Independence Day, Merdeka. Freaking hell, these guys are crazy. But enough yapping for now. It's time to enjoy the night and get in. Woo! We still gotta have our karaoke. The closest song. Oh!
I wish you all the best of luck in life. So your one-way ticket. So good luck for that.
Oh,
so
I
probably
know.
you come
So
back
much.
and then
Who
do
knows?
another
Who
shooting
knows?
for us. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Susie. Thanks for everything.
Thank you so much.
Having the best time ever. Awesome time.
It's
Thank you.
memories and moments in
Memories
life.
forever for
We
sure.
live only once then. We live only once.
Live only one time. Make the most of it. Cheers.
Cheers.